So today we're going to doing the cam follower inspection, maybe change a bottom new cam follower here in a brand. First we'll need to unplug the PCV hose. By doing that, we just apply pressure here on these spots, push in and pull out, so it can be easy to remove. Something like this. Then we'll need to bleed the rest of the fuel that's inside the high pressure fuel pump. Just get a rag here and now it's a little fuel. We'll disconnect this sensor. Just push in, then pull out. Then with a 17 mil we'll open here, and with a 13 mil we'll open here. Then with a 13 mil we'll just open here. Now for T30, we'll just open these. Already unbolted them, but I forgot to film. Now to remove the high pressure fuel pump. Pretty hot, just what. And inspect the cam follower. And as you can see, it's still brand new after 10,000 kilometers. I'll show you how to, I'll put an image so you can see when you should change it and when you should keep using it. And if you don't change the cam follower, it will consume the lobe on the high pressure fuel pump and the lobe on the camshaft, and they'll make big problems like misfires, and you might need to replace the camshaft and the high pressure fuel pump, at least the piston. Now to do everything back in its reverse order, and we're done.